First you have to come to gigabyte.com. This is officially website for download and driver. So you can see here the search key, and then guys type your model number. Z890 gaming X557, then click to product. Then click to support. Select your operating system, Windows 10 and 11. If you not aware about your operating system, you can select all. So that means that driver will show. It will work both Windows 7 also and 10 also. Otherwise you can select, like I am using Windows 11, select it. Okay, and Windows 10 installation process also same. Okay, so no worry. Bluetooth driver, scroll down and you can see here Bluetooth. Just click to download. It is completed. Single click to open, double click to this setup, then click to yes. Now you can see here the Bluetooth driver is installing. Okay, this is done.